what is interesting, it isn't just Liberals that are criticising Turning Point UK, it's even organisations within the Conservative Party who are criticising it. Now, you've got to understand, the Conservative Party in Britain isn't conservative, hasn't been for a long time, so they're very scared of me. But the bigger point, and this is what matters, I don't think our universities are quite as bad as your universities in America, but I still see a huge left-wing bias. I see young people's minds being poisoned against the idea of the existence of nation-states, against the idea of sensible border controls. And I know lots of students that I've met who say, Nigel, we're scared to say what we think because of the abuse we'll get from professors and our fellow pupils.
Yeah.
And what Turning Point UK will do, it will give these people a collective strength, a support network where they won't be so afraid to say what they think. And I really want to go further than this. I mean, ultimately, it seems to me the job of a university is to teach critical thinking, to teach young people, here's a problem, here are two possible solutions, they're both valid, and you make your own mind up, and that is where our system needs to get back to.